times like this, when things are really challenging and difficult, it's not to bury your head in the sand. It's actually to look at how can I invest my way out and protect not only my future, but actually the future of the people I employ. And, with the Step Up campaign, what we're saying is if you've actually got 3-axis or 5-axis single table machines that you want to look at part exchanging against a Matsuura multi-pallet, we will look favourably at making that happen, because at the end of the day, yes, we're a machine tool seller, but we sell solutions. And what we're trying to do with this campaign is reach out to you, the owner, that's facing these challenges right now, and think, how can I get through this? But by investing in technology, which is what we supply in the UK market, we truly believe investing in technology today will get you through to tomorrow and beyond.
And in your opinion, is technology the way out of difficult times?
Paul, for me personally, this is the 4th time we're going into difficult times. What's been proven in the past, and I think more prudent today, more than ever, that the way to get through these difficult times is to invest in technology to secure your future.
And is that what Matsuura do?
That's what we do. We do it, obviously, we've been doing it for many years. This Step Up campaign has been born from the sales team. We've been thinking about the message that we wanted to put out as we start to come out of lockdown. And, we're here to help, support and supply technology. That's what we do.